Yo, what are you doing? Hey, go in and clear that room to the right, okay? Clear the room to the fucking right, go. There's a room. Just run. Just give me cover. Alright, cover it all. Anchor me.
Is he out?
I know he's out.
Yeah, he's out.
And he still shot me, the little bastard. Where'd you go? Don't do it, man. I'll shut it up.
He's always like that.
Franco's getting initiated in the team. We're gonna fight. Rape this kid, like shoot him. Hey! Get it right behind him. Fucking put your gun on him. Go, 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 go. Let me get on you.
Dude, I got you! Ow! I'm out, fucker!
He's there.
Yeah, bitch!
Yo, he's up.
Not you!
No, you didn't, bitch!
Yeah, I was aiming right there.
You didn't hit me!
It's okay, Franco, it's over.
Dude, he still unloaded his whole round on me.
It's okay.
I shot him in the ass to tell him to stop.
Hey, hold on.
Ow. Sorry, that safety was on.
Alright, you guys ready?
Yeah. Oh, god damn it. Go, go, go.
Cameraman! Cameraman! I'm going in. Hey, cameraman, don't fire!
Camera's coming in, camera's coming in.
God fucking damn.
Get in.
Anybody else in here?
I don't know. Go, Chase, go.
Where is he?
Hey, dude, what's your name? Alright, hey, move into... Oh, fucking bitch. Hey, move into that room right up there. Go. Which one?
It's okay, we're camera.
Hey, Chase, we're going left. We're going left. Go right now. Go, go, go. Where? Go in that fucking room.
Holy crap! Shut! Oh, I'm out! I'm out! Don't shoot! I'm out!
Camera! Don't. Someone needs to go in. Get your ass in there, Franco. What was that?
Put your mask on.
Yo, put your mask on.
Hey, Chase, you want to go in? I'll cover you.
Chase isn't even. Chase is out.
Andrew, come on.
What? I'm not going in.
I'm gonna go through and clear the room.
Go ahead.
Come on, Brian.
You go, I'll cover you.
No. Go in first. Get against the wall.
You guys better move. Franco's probably moving in.
Where is he?
I don't know, but I was being shot at.
Cameraman! Cameraman!
Hold around the whole building.
Yeah, I'll do it later. are they? Yeah.
Ow! Ow!
Franco's out.
You can't get out of the fucking house.
What?
You can't leave the house.
He's not in. He's not out of the house.
Where the hell was that?
He's shooting through a little crack in the wall. Get out! Get out! There's a little crack in the wall.
You're not allowed out of the house.
He's not. It's a little crack in the wall. Yeah, he's still alive.
I hit you!
Hey, yeah, take a picture of this.
I can't. It's a video.
What the hell, you crazy little bastard?
All right, Dylan's dead. Hey, it's over. It's over. It's over.
I think I'm out of ammo.